How to create a daily exercise routine. Introduction. Creating a daily exercise routine is essential for maintaining physical and mental health. In this video, we will discuss the importance of daily exercise and provide practical tips on how to create a personalized exercise routine that fits your lifestyle. Why is daily exercise important? Daily exercise has numerous benefits, including improved cardiovascular health, increased muscle strength, better weight management, and enhanced mood. Regular physical activity can also reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. How to create a daily exercise routine. Set realistic goals. Start by setting achievable goals based on your fitness level and schedule. Whether it's walking for 30 minutes a day or doing a full body workout, set goals that you can stick to. Choose activities you enjoy. Selecting activities that you enjoy will make it easier to stay motivated. Whether it's dancing, swimming, or yoga, find activities that you look forward to doing. Schedule your workouts. Treat your exercise routine like an important appointment. Block off time in your calendar for your workouts and stick to it. Start slowly. If you're new to exercise, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as your fitness improves. Mix it up. Incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. Include cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises for a well-rounded routine. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after exercise. If you experience pain or discomfort, stop and consult a healthcare professional. Conclusion. Creating a daily exercise routine is an important step towards improving your overall health and well-being. By setting realistic goals, choosing activities you enjoy, and scheduling your workouts, you can create a sustainable exercise routine that fits your lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to your routine and enjoy the benefits of regular exercise.